So here we are, going down the mighty Turon, and it's just gone down from full flood, which is maybe not so exciting, but enough for a solo kayaker. It can be dangerous. There's been lots of snags, trees trying to trap me, sharp rocks. So and it's shallow in parts, so you're going over rocks to twist you and then spin you over. So yeah, just got to take it easy and enjoy it. It's going really well so far. Lots of hazards like trees to avoid and low-hanging branches, because the river's been higher and scourged a lot of it. So just have to be careful. Whoa. I just was doing some filming and just nearly got topped by that branch behind me, because I was filming and looking at that ram that's been on. The fleece is still on it, it's needing clipped. Lots of hazard. I've not been able to film too much because there's been lots of rocks and logs across, so you had to go from left to right, right to left across the river. Position yourself for the rapids like this one here. You can see what I can see, so you've got to look for the V, look for the dark water and try and follow the cleanest path down. It can be tricky, as we'll find out shortly. Luckily I saw this tree just as I came around the bend and managed to pull in before the currents trapped me under it. This is the kind of dangerous hazards that the lone canoeist has to watch out for. So I'm going to have to work out how to get around this. There we go. Watch out for the next one. Yep, another hazard. A lot of them. A bit tricky for the lone kayaker because there's lots of snags underneath these trees and branches, which grabbed my leg when I tried going under one before. So, yep. Still beautiful though. Look at all the debris. So this is only about 4 hours drive from Sydney west, and you're in beautiful wilderness. Beautiful rock formations. There's big deep. I've just come through actually really dangerous tree debris and got trapped and spun round and smacked about, and now I'm in this tranquil place. So there's a river of many moods. You're my driver. Here's my driver picking me up in Safala. Let's have a look. See, look. This is Safala. Michael picked me up. Safala pub. And that was a 2.5 hour